What's up, guys? So today we're going to do a little diving in a brand new location. This is a super old area. There's a chance for fossils, relics, bottles, really anything old. So we're going to get our gear on, we're going to jump in the water, see what we can find. Day, kind of go through here and show you nugget stuff. You got some sinkers, some pennies, this doohickey here. Don't know if this is Civil War or more modern. If anybody knows, let me know. Definitely hand carved. A couple more hand carved. There was a lot of hand carved lead in the river, and we picked up all we could. I think it's kind of cool. You got a GPR bottle, got a bell seal, got a marble. Somebody knows if that's a $1 million marble, let me know. He got some bullets, Wilkinson's. There's a pulled 3-ringer, a couple round balls, 3 infields it looks like. Got a rivet. This really cool piece of carved lead here. Some more carved fishing sinker. A couple pieces of brass, nice barrel tap. That almost looks pewter.
I think it is.
I think it might be pewter. It's heavy like pewter. It's not lead. It could be pewter. You got a couple orange crush bottles. This really cool bottle here says Jamaica Ginger Philadelphia. It's cork top. Never seen one like that. Somebody has an age on that. I'm just guessing that's probably 1860s or 70s maybe. Got the J. Mahoney flask. Got something here for hay fever or something like that. 2 more orange crushes. 50 caliber bullet. That was pretty neat. Got a Morgan dollar, 1878. You're gonna listen to it. Shh, listen. Think it's real. Listen again. Doesn't sound real to me. Got a door hinge. I got some fishing sinkers too, couple bullets, bunch of round balls, some carved stuff. I got 2 of these doohickeys here. Don't know how old they are. I got an 1852 seated dime. Could be a half dime. No, that's a dime. Seated dime. A couple bottles. I got a GPR bottle. Got a Woman's Tonic. Got a Robinson's. Got a Pepsi Cola. Script out of Goldsboro. 1 beer. And my best find was the CS tongue. I sure hope it was recording so you guys could hear me, but all I saw was that right there, and when I grabbed it I thought it was not going to be a tongue, but phenomenal find right there. It was a great day. I'm going to pan through one more time for you guys to see everything again, and we're going to go get us some grub and call it a day.